Well, we're probably about 2/3 of the way up on our straight uphill hike to Beehive Rock. Good look back at the Bear Tooths. Behind there somewhere would be Granite Peak. Little pan of the Stillwater Valley. We're at not a very good angle here. You can't see the river, but if we get up a little bit higher, you should be able to have a good shot. And then up this draw is Beehive Rock. Almost there. But busy day. It's pretty interesting formation. And I don't see her up on the trail, but she is up there somewhere.